Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by arranging your dataset. Put each variable in its own column with a clear header. Once done, scan for blanks and non-numeric entries and replace or remove them so Excel treats the cells as numbers. Make sure both ranges match length, for example A2, A101 and B2, B101, because correlation needs paired values. You'll also want to label columns for reference. This prevents later mistakes when selecting ranges for functions or charts. Now compute the correlation. In a blank cell type equals CORREL, A2, A101, B2, B101 and press Enter. This returns Pearson R. If you have many columns, go to Data Analysis Correlation, select the full block including headers and choose Output Range. Once results appear, interpret sign and magnitude. Positive means variables rise together, negative means they move opposite. If your data violate assumptions, consider transforming values or using rank methods instead. Finish by interpreting and validating the result. R near 1 or -1 shows strong linear association. Near 0 indicates weak linear link. Make sure to verify statistical significance. Excel's CORREL gives R but not P. Compute T equals R asterisk SQRT. N2/1R2, manually or use add-ins. If numbers look odd, check for outliers, mismatched row counts, or cells formatted as text. If you run into errors, recheck ranges and clean data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.